Hey, it's getting towards pool time. It's spring now, March weather, starting to look like it's warming up. So it is definitely time to start thinking about building a pool. You can have one this summer, and it is a super project. I mean, we just love it. I mean, pools are great fun anytime just to have around, but as a family project or just a project to do for yourself, it's a really great project. I mean, they're not complicated. All the steps are basically pretty simple. Vinyl pools are great. They're easier to take care of than a concrete pool. I personally like swimming in a vinyl pool better than a concrete pool. I like the way it feels. It's kind of soft on the feet, and it's just, I don't know, just nicer. I like them. Some of the things that people wonder about when they're building a pool or thinking about building a pool in their yard is whether they have the skills to do that. Understandably, most of the time you don't know whether you can build a pool because they're a pretty big deal. But you certainly can. I mean, if you have any woodworking skills at all, the plywood wall pools, like the above ground lap pool, that's one that's pretty much our most popular design now. That one, it is really simple. It's just plywood and lumber. There's nothing to it. I mean, there's obviously some plumbing and little bits of things here and there and bolting things together, but that's all very straightforward. The concrete block pools, like the lap pool and spa, that one, the deck, obviously lumber, just working with that again, simple. Concrete blocks, they're easy to work with too. Concrete, mixing it up yourself, once you've done it a couple times, not a hard thing at all. It's just 3 ingredients and add some water and start shoveling and mixing it together. So it is definitely doable. There's no question about it. It's a big project to do a pool, so you have to have some follow through. You got to decide, budget your time and realize that it will take you probably a month or two at least. Over the years, we've had about 1,500 to 2,000 people build pools from our plans. It's been really gratifying to get the feedback on those projects. A lot of people had never built a project before. That was pretty amazing. It's great that people were able to build pools and enjoy the fun of coming together and having a family space. That's one of the neat things about a pool. It's just a great project for a family and for your home, and adds value, and it's just a great thing to do, we think. Our plans really do go into detail, so if you're a first-time builder or kind of questioning whether or not you could build a pool, you certainly can. We show the types of all the different methods that we use to build our pools, whether it's concrete block or plywood walls, depending upon which one you choose. But we go into the pumps and filters and things like that you'll need. We show how to, what size liners, of course, all of that. So we do go into a lot of detail. One of the things we want to talk about in a future video, which we'll do soon, is how to take the different plans that we have and adapt them and combine them together to make just exactly the pool you need for your yard. And obviously, if you've got a nice flat yard with lots of space, you can pretty much choose any one you want. But if you have a sloping yard or a small yard or something like that, you might have to think about how to fit it in and what size and that sort of thing. And the different types of pool designs that we've developed over the years really lend themselves to kind of mixing and matching. If you want a concrete wall pool, but you're on a slope and you want to have a deck around it, then there's a way to combine different sets of plans, and we'll go over that in another video soon. So thanks for joining us today on this video, and if you have any other questions, get in touch with us at Stevenson Projects, and also join our newsletter, the email newsletter, and click to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.